3 times square root 3 times square root 3 divided by 3 inverse is equal to 27 raised to power x. And we have to find the value of x. How it is possible or not? We will just multiply 3 times square root 3, it will become a square root 3 square. Agree? Divided by 3 inverse is equal to 27 for x. Now, square and square root are cancelled. So we will get 3 times 3, and this is 3 inverse. So we can write it as 1 by 3. And it is 27 raised to power x. Now 3 times 3, it will become 9, and divided by 1 by 3, it is 27 raised to power x. Now 9 is kept itself. It is changed into multiplication and flip the 1 by 3, so it will become 3. And here 27 raised to power x. It is 27, and here is 27 raised to power x. Now you can place here as 1. So 20 raised to power 1 is also 27. So here bases are same. So bases are cancelled. So 1 is equal to x, which will be our required value. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.